Hey, this is Gabe. Welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to hang up some Christmas lights using this extension wand tool and these little clips that I bought on Amazon. Initially, when I bought this, I thought this would solve all my problems. But then, having looked at their website, their YouTube video on shows you how to install them, it was pretty confusing. And then I read some reviews on it and saying how much people didn't like it. And anyway, this is what their clips look like. They're supposedly universal type clips attached to your rain gutters and all that kind of stuff. And this little part right here is where your Christmas lights go into. And I was trying to figure out, they show you how these are already pre-strung up, and then using this wand tool like this, with this in here like that, and when you squeeze the trigger, it releases that mechanism like that. But it sounds better than it looks, because once you get one up, then the others are dangling behind it. There isn't a way to physically grab it when they're dangling free. And I see a lot of controversy on this, on people giving this such a horrible review. And I did also. But I found a way to work around that. So I modified the first one. Now you can see there's a big difference from this to this. This is for the eaves on my house. I have really thin eaves, like 1/2-inch eaves on, because I live in a manufactured home now versus a real home. So this is had to be modified to fit the eaves for 1/2-inch. So I took a heat gun, I melted one side of it, and then pushed it together. I also cut this piece off right here, and then this I cut off, because now this is where I'm going to hang my string. So you can see what that looks like. So what I do now is I take this, I put in here, and then I just stick this on the fascia. I release it and then pull it loose, and then now I have a place to hang my lights. I do the whole house first with these in place. Then I switch the head that they give you. And then this is the little grabber head that it comes with. Now that's a little claw. Now I'll use this to grab my lights, my wires, and then I'll use this to hook in this spot right here. Or actually for this one, and I'll show you what that looks like. So here we go on my fascia. I've got them right here like that, and you can see what that looks like. Okay, so I have two different bags, one for the wide eaves, and then this is what I used already for the thin eaves. So we'll show you how I put these on, and it's easier just to grab the bag and go. And right here you can see I have one of them already loaded in the tool. Okay, I'm going to put this on. That goes on there like that. Squeeze it, pull it out. To remove it, that's how you remove it. Okay, this is the eve of my garage, the highest point. When we're putting on the lights, make sure you give yourself enough room between the light clips, which is about 3 feet. Sometimes you may have to take 1 or 2 tries to get it right.